learners has been sent to the concerned learner support centers by RC Madurai. Now the students can avail all the academic support services with their concerned study centers by requesting either through email, phone, if possible also they can go to the study centers after talking with the coordinator. Now with this, I request our esteemed regional director, Dr. M. Sanmugam sir, to come online and address our learners. Then after, we will go to the session.
Yeah, very good morning to all. I think I am audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So very good morning, all our colleagues from the regional center, Dr. Anbalagan, Assistant Regional Director, Mr. Anandan, Mr. Balaji, Section Officer, and other colleagues from the regional center, our coordinators who have joined through this platform, and all our students, learners of Indira Gandhi National Open University. I welcome you all to this very important meeting towards student support services. This is the right occasion that we have made it a point to interact with the learners who have re-registered their program for further studies. Since the students who have gone for the re-registration have already completed certain semesters, certain years, that is first year or first semester of your study. You are well aware of the system. You are much familiar with the IGNOU's functioning and the system of conducting examination, etc. The re-registration this time, which is a very positive response which we have got from the learners. A good number of learners have re-registered, that is continued their studies, and mostly the students who have come for the re-registration are those who have already completed the first part of their study. You might have taken some break, or you might have come continuously for the second year, etc. The study centers remain same. You all know about the functioning, the role of the study centers, which is again the student support center. The re-registration also, your supports will be continued to you get the supports from the same study center and the coordinator also. During this pandemic period, you all know we have been keeping, that is, we have been trying to keep you your needs satisfactory services to the expectation. But because of this pandemic situation, there were a lot of difficulties. The examinations were could not be conducted as per the university schedule, but university has made it to conduct the examinations also. We have conducted the examination for the final year students because of the reasons what it was been seen in the past. Now, of course, we think the things will come to the normal. We are returning to the normal scenario. If everything goes well, we can see again there will be of the examination as per the schedule, etc. But however, you have seen the submission of assignments, evaluation of assignments, and all other project practicals. Those things have been planned exclusively for suiting the situation of this COVID, and we have conducted. And you are on active role in your academic pursuits. So we wish you will continue to be with us in this semester or in this year also. And we have committed, whatever may be the situation, our support services will definitely to the level of your requirement and our coordinators, because earlier we used to have number of face-to-face meetings and a number of postal communications, etc. But in this scenario, it was completely change over to the online situation, online scenario, online conduct of counselings, etc. But still, it is not confirmed that we will be going through face to face. But till you get the right communication, this current scenario will continue. That is, we will be having all online communication, digital way of support services and online classes, etc. So our request is that we welcome you to for your continuous continuing the studies with this pandemic situation. But our request is that please see the digital way, digital communication, emails, SMS, most attentive, alert to that, and because we have already started giving the information about the conduct of online classes which are being organized by other regional centers, which may be beneficial to you. Certainly, other components which are compulsory, like conduct of practicals, conduct of the project Viva, so many things that will be held as per the instructions or the communications from the headquarters. Definitely, there will not be any problem in conduct of term and examination, because university has already gained a lot of experience on conduct of the examination during this pandemic. There will be of clear schedule and study material. Of course, now university we have got the information that it is under dispatch to the registered students. You will be getting, or till that time, the digital mode of available material can be utilized for your reference, etc. And assignments already uploaded for the further continuous years of study, and you can refer to that. You can download the assignments and start preparing the answers or the responses, so that everything done in time, and your study time will not be wasted, and you will continue to have the activity. And either 2 years program, 3 years program, or PG 2 years program, it's a very time bound manner, and we are making all arrangements for the conduct of the components in time as per the situation, prevailing situation. Definitely we are there, and our study centers coordinators are actively now trained in the online support mechanism, so you will get support services also. And if permits, definitely there will be of face-to-face counseling sessions also, which will be of more beneficial to the learners who are finding it difficult in this digital use of modalities. So with these few words, this session is open to the students' interaction, and we are there to listen to you and to clarify all your difficulties. And there is no need of any kind of new kind of instructional way of support services, or whatever is prevailing, that will continue. So with these few words, I welcome you all, and we are there to help you, and definitely your success is our objective. We will see that the students who are continue to work hard will get degrees in time. So with this, I hand over to our Assistant Director, Dr. Anbalagan, to go ahead with this session.
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your nice words, sir, to our esteemed learners. Dear learners, the key focus of this meeting is to provide guidance to the re-registered learners of July 2021 on study material status, then online counseling at the study centers or from the other regional centers, utilization of e-resources for the self-study, then utilization of interactive radio counseling sessions of Gyanwani, or participation in the Gyandhara web radio, or taking part in the teleconferencing being organized by Gyan Darshan Television, and also viewing Swayam Prabha television channels for your study. Then we may discuss on assignment submission for the term and examination December 2021, especially only for the semester mode programs, not for the yearly mode programs. Then submission of online exam form for the December 2021 examination. Then uh, issues relating to practical internship, ECP, field work projects, etc. Then, if you are having any other issues and you need any clarification on your self study, also may come and ask the question. We are open here to deliberate on the every issue. Now, I request the learners may come one by one and raise their questions. Yes, Kalaivan. Yeah, anyone can come online and raise your question.
Hi, sir.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, you are audible.
Sir, now I can't attend practical exams and all. How can I attend the exams, sir?
First, you introduce about you and your program so that we can answer.
Okay. Sorry. Yeah, I'm doing BSc Physics, sir.
Okay.
Now the practical classes are not going. Then how can we attend the practical exams, sir?
Due to this lockdown and the last 1 year, we have not conducted the practical sessions for any of the program. Especially some programs we have conducted through online mode. The
Okay,
BSc
sir.
program practicals are actually required a lab setting in the college. Now the college is also not fully functional. Once we
Okay.
receive the specific direction from the headquarter, we can request the study center to allow the students at the lab sessions. Till the time the university has framed a guideline for conducting determined practical examination for the BSc like programs. Accordingly, we are conducting the examination through paper mode for the practicals.
Okay, sir. On the first year exams and all, I haven't written all,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
they are saying
you
that
will be
all subjects are cleared, and you are supposed to you can attend second years. No, on the behalf of second year's subjects marks, they will be promoted to third year. They are saying so.
no. You read the promotion rules published by the CD. If you are in the first year of the particular program at that time, that is June 2020, you
Okay.
need to take part the assignment component and other things of the second year. On successful completion of your entire component of the second year, only based on that second year components, you will be promoted in the first year. Okay, if it is a first year student, if it is second year student, the first year components will be considered. Like that, some rules are there. You go through it. It is
Okay.
already circulated to every student as well as published in the IGNOU website as well as RC Madurai website. You can go through it.
Okay.
Accordingly, you can request the ACD also or with us
Okay.
also.
One last question, sir.
Hmm.
Uh, I have been transferred from Chandigarh to Madurai, sir, but the
Okay.
books are not I haven't get the books till now
You
for
check the
second year.
you check the address
Um,
given at the time of registration in the
no, but
registration
there
portal.
also I haven't received there also. I haven't
Huh.
received there also. I came to RC Center Madurai, but they said that you have to ask on Chandigarh only. I have been mailed them so many times, but I haven't received till now. If you have any chances to mail them, so please, it's a request,
You
sir.
send an
Hello.
email to forward your mail to trace the
Okay, okay, sir.
your study material status.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Hello.
For time being, you can download the digital study material from eGyanpo's website. Digital study materials are available in the eGyanpo's
Okay,
website. You can download your study material for the time being and utilize them also. Okay.
okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Next candidate. Uh,
Uh, Good morning, sir. I am Sister Sophia speaking.
okay.
I am studying in NCOM, sir. Last year exam didn't write. When will
Uh,
you keep sir, exam?
The examination for the first year and the intermediate semester programs will be happened in the December 2021
This,
session. Yeah, yeah.
okay, sir.
The,
Will
the
also
schedule is
continues.
yet to be finalized. Once they finalize the schedule, it will be announced in the website, IGNOU website.
Okay.
Keep
Thank you,
checking
sir.
our IGNOU website regularly. Yeah.
Okay, sir. I am also paid, sir. Second year exam, second year fees also I paid, sir. And still now not sending the book, sir. Second year books. Hello, sir.
Yes. Yes, madam. Hello. Sophia.
Sir.
Yes.
I already I paid, sir. Second year fee also I paid, and still now not sending the book, sir.
That you write an email to RC Madurai with your enrollment number and program code.
Yes.
I will check and inform you back, as well as you can download the digital material also for the time being till we
Okay,
receive
sir.
till
Thank you,
you
sir.
receive the hard copy. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Kalyani.
Hello, good morning, sir. Sir,
Yes.
I'm a student for MAPC course. Sir, my doubt was that I joined for the July 2020 admission cycle, and sir, like you said, the exams will be conducted mostly in December.
Hmm.
So, sir, technically the exams were supposed to be in August. So, will second year also now be pushed forward by 6 months?
Uh, you are right now taking re-registration in July 2021. Okay, is it so?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Then,
sir. Yes, sir.
you have to wait for 1 year, because your examination will for second year will be in June 2022, not right now. Assignment submission also in March or April 2022 for the second year.
Yes,
First
sir.
year exam,
Understood, sir.
if you already applied for the first year exam, you can check when the web portal for examination is exam form is open. Then after you can proceed for the term examination December 2021 for the first year.
Sir, I have applied for the exams, but the exams were postponed to
Yeah,
December.
that exams postponed for the first year and intermediate years, as well as intermediate semester students. Okay, not exams were held only for the final semester, final year students. June 2021 session, that is in the month of August and September. Remaining students have to check their exam form status. Once the exam form application portal is opened, you have to check it with your enrollment number and download the details. Then you have to wait for the release of all ticket accordingly.
Yes, sir. So one doubt is that, sir, in that case, if the exam is in December and next second year exam is in June, then in 6 months the study center will wrap up second year.
Yeah, there is no 6 months. Another 2-3 months are there. Okay, because right now we are in October, November, December is there. You have
Yes,
to do
sir.
self-study only for practical, and other sessions they will carry out by the study center, even theory counseling also.
Okay, sir. So what about the contact program for second year?
Madam, we have already circulated the emails with online counselings being conducted by other regional centers, even from RC Chennai also. Whether you checked your email and attended, because last month also we have mailed the schedules.
Sir, I didn't
So,
receive any
you have to
email from
wait.
secretary, sir.
Yeah, we are constantly sending all the emails with the links. The student, everyone has to check at least weekly twice your email. Then only you will come to know what is happening, and accordingly you can participate. Not only you from your particular study center, we are sending so many emails and with the links of other regional centers also, especially from RC Mumbai and from some other regional centers, even from RC Chennai also. They have conducted second year the theory counseling sessions. That has been forwarded to you. If we get any other session schedule also in the coming months, we will be sending it to you.
Sir, then I'll just forward an email to RC Madurai, sir, regarding that query about the classes. So if you could please forward the email, so that will be very helpful, because I don't have it in my
The thing
email.
is that, madam, once the online counseling schedules are finalized and uploaded in the websites by the regional centers, not only from Madurai, every regional center, then if we come to know, we send the links to every learners for their benefit, because theory counseling sessions attendance is not mandatory. Only if you have any doubts, you can take part in the theory counseling sessions and raise your questions with the counselors. For practical, attendance sessions are mandatory. That practical will be essentially conducted by your study center only. So keep in mind, you can participate, you are free to participate any online counseling sessions of any regional center or study center across India, if you have the interest. Okay,
So
nobody
where
will
can I get
insist.
the details of those
Yeah,
classes?
details we are mailing to every learner according to their program details. Even MAPC second year also, last month we have mailed. During this month also, one mail has gone from RC Madurai. You check it. Even in the spam folder also, you can check it frequently.
Okay, sir. So one more doubt. So what about the learning material for the second years? I have not yet received it.
Yeah, if you are still not received, you can request through email to RC Madurai as well as to MPDD. The study material status also now available at the IGNOU website. You can time being you can download the digital study material till you receive the hard copy.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Next. Next. Yes.
Master, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, sir. So myself Divya, and I'm currently enrolled in MSW first year. So as per the guideline, I read like we have a internship.
Which program you are?
MSW.
Okay.
Okay, sir. So as per the guideline, we have an internship. And what about that, sir? Where we have to go for the internship?
Hello, your voice is not audible, madam.
Okay.
Lot of noises is coming from your side.
Sir, good afternoon.
Ah,
Sir, re-registration always error, sir. It's shown error.
it is being updated, madam. Today also I checked for a few students. It is not getting updated. You may wait for 1 week. Then after you check, madam. Because MBA like programs, it has been updated. For certain other programs, even for MAPC, it has not been updated in the report.
It's shown program MAPC not found.
Yeah. That issue will be rectified within a week time.
Okay.
Even if it is not rectified, you can send an email to RC Mother with your
Okay,
enrollment number and other details.
Okay, thank you.
Next.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, madam.
Sir, my doubt is, just got registered in this July attempt, sir. For July 2021, I got registered. Lastly, October 13th, I just sent a mail regarding study materials, sir.
Okay.
Since I've not received any mail, and also I don't know anything about study material, how I'll get the material, and also examinations are to be conducted in the December. I hope so, sir.
Yes, madam.
So how will we prepare?
Study material, you may check the status in the website. If it is under dispatch, you have to wait. Otherwise, you can send the email to RC Mother. For every student, this is the common issue. You may, because re-registration just now completed, then after the data is being sent to the study centers, the updation at the online portal level is also going on for some of the programs. You need to wait till the time of receiving the study material. Everybody has to download the study material from eGyanKosh website or IGNOU e-content application, mobile application. It will be a very easy task. You can download it and go through your study material, especially your program guide. Everyone has to read your program guide compulsorily so as to understand the program structure, then how to proceed for the writing assignment and taking practical as well as taking the term and examination, everything. My advice is everybody has to compulsorily read line by line the program guide. That is the most important task for everybody. Even if you are in the re-registration also, we advise you to go once again and read the program guide so that you can plan accordingly your schedules and study timings, accordingly do self-study. If you, we are constantly sending the online counseling schedules because the conduct of offline counseling schedules may not be possible for this semester also. All over India, the only online counseling sessions are going on. Wherever possible and whatever the schedules available at the websites, we collect and forward to you. We have a Google Classroom also. We have already sent the class code with the link to every learner. You can, if you have not joined with that particular classroom, you can join so that you can see all the updates without seeing the email also. You can check all the information in one window. That facility also we have made it for you. Kindly take part in the interactive counseling sessions of Gyan Vani or Gyan Dara web radio. It is a 24/7 web radio. It is available in the IGNOU website. That link is available. You can, there are a lot of sessions. The schedule is very much placed in the website itself. According to the schedule, you can take the follow-up and participate, or even the recordings also of the programs are being readily available at the web portal. You can listen the Gyan Dara web radio, then Gyan Darshan television, a dedicated television channel of IGNOU. They are broadcasting the lot of sessions, especially from the faculty members at the headquarters. You can also simply you can view that the programs at your home or even in your mobile phone also. That facility also exists for you. These are all the Swayam Prabha DTH television channels of IGNOU also very much available to you. There are various n number of resources available, like National Digital Library. The link is available at the IGNOU website under Student Zone. Then e-resources link also available under Student Zone. The YouTube lessons prepared by the experts, that is also available under eGyanKo's website. Facebook live session, recorded sessions, videos are available under the eGyanKo's website in the left portion of the window. Swayam content, wherever it is applicable to you, especially for your program, you can view that also. Lot of facilities are exist apart from the online counseling. These are all the additional resources for you. If you want to participate in the online counseling, no issue, but the follow-up from your side is very much required. Without seeing the email and later on asking that link yields no benefit. As a learner, you have to concentrate on your study and dedicate and devote your time. And please keep watching our emails routinely so that you will get the updates in time. Any
Sir,
other student?
Sir, one more doubt, sir. Sorry, sir. Sir, I recently checked my status, sir. So it shows enrollment number not found. So for this,
which program you are?
sir, BCom AF.
You send an email, we will check and we will call you back also. With if you possible, you send your enrollment number, mobile number by email. We will check back and call you on Monday.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, sir. This is Mahesh Babu.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir. This is Mahesh Babu. Sir, I'm doing MBA MP program code. For this 2021, we have registered for first semester in July only, and then immediately you have asked us to register for rejoining in January as well as for the this program.
July.
So almost we are doing 10 subjects in 6 months. And some of the books are yet to return. That is one thing. Second thing, sir, my doubt is that all 10 exam will be in different dates, or the dates will be simultaneous. The schedule is not issued. So
schedule is yet to be published, but different dates only, not continuous one. But the thing is, the school has given a notice that the earlier the assignment released by the school for the particular course is meant for that particular semester only. Now they have changed that the norms and the assignment can be used for first 2 semesters. That means it is valid for the entire year. So you can download the assignments and keep on writing the assignments. The last date is fixed for submission of assignment is 31st October. But however, the date may be likely extended. You can check the status at the IGNOU website also at the first week of 1st of November also. But we advise you to complete the assignments first. Give concentration for writing the assignments and submit. The writing and submission instructions are available at the RC Madurai website. Even you can send by scan copy by email to your study center. But the procedure as per the circular has to be followed by the learner. You should not send your assignment to any other email ID. Only the
Yeah,
particular
understand, sir.
email
Because
ID you have to
almost
send.
10 subject,
You can
I'm able to
request them.
complete 6 subject till now, but still.
But you have the flexibility whether you want
Sir,
to
your voice is breaking.
complete all the 10 you have the flexibility
Hello?
whether you can attend all the 10 papers or you can skip a few papers and write them in the coming June also. But once the registration is done, you will be given the option to complete within 4 semesters from the actual registration system.
Okay.
In MBA program, the course registered is valid for 4 semesters. Within that
Sure,
4
sir, I
semesters, you have
understood.
to complete. Otherwise, you have to go again and pay the fees for re-registration. That issues are there.
Understood, sir. Understood, sir. Only thing I would like to complete in this semester only. Only thing I need some date extension that I can write mail
Normally,
to.
that termed examinations, whether it may going to be held in the month of December or it may be postponed, nobody knows. Once the announcement comes in the website, only we will come to know. Once the schedule is finalized and uploaded in the website, then only we will come to know the exact date for the examination. Because in various states, various kinds of issues are there with regard to this the pandemic situation. So according to the situation only, they will decide.
Sure, sir. Assignment extension will come to know on 1st of November only. Yes, sir?
Yes, you can check the website or our emails also. Once we receive any notification, we will forward it to you.
Sure, sir. One more clarification. I can see if I completed SIP subject, I can go and submit that, and remaining 4 subject I can, if extension come afterwards, I can submit. Is it fine, sir, or I need to submit 10 simultaneously?
You can decide,
Because
but normally the extension will be given. I can
sure.
assure you that because the admissions finalization has took long time, so accordingly they also decide that extension of timeline for submission of the exam form as well as the assignments.
Sure, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Next candidate.
Master, now it's audible, right? Hello?
Yes. That Divya Sokalingam, you muted. Your voice is still a problem, but I understood what you are going to ask for. That you are MSW student, you want to take field work. So field work, there is a guide at the LSC 43084, Sri Narayana Guru College. Dr. Maria Yesuraj, coordinator, is the guide. You approach him and get his consent. Then after, you go through your field work journal and complete it as per his guidance and submit through the guide. So that after evaluation by the guide, the fieldwork journal may reach the regional center Madurai. Then after we will forward. Okay, you check the procedures that were given in your fieldwork journal. Then you contact Dr. Maria Yesuraj. Next candidate. Jaya Kirtiga.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm a fresher. I joined in this July 2021 batch. I'm doing Bachelor of Arts Honors Hindi. Where to check the assignments and exam schedules? I'm not sure how to try. I actually received the study materials as well, but I'm not sure on where to check for the assignments and the exam schedules and all.
The assignment question papers are available under IGNOU website student zone. There is a separate
Okay.
link for assignments. Okay. Or else you can search your course code. Each course code you can search in the Google with the word assignment for
Okay.
December 21, like that. You will get the link from the IGNOU website. Then check it one by one, you download it. What else the problem?
Okay, I'll check. Like it is a semester-wise program, but can I skip and
First
then
year,
write in the next semester for some papers?
are you in the first year or second year?
I'm in the first year actually.
First year means the examination will be held at the end of the year. Because
Okay,
in the honest
okay.
degree program, even though it is semester, the first year examination will be held at the end of the year only, combining both first year and first semester and
So I
semester.
have to write all the 8 subjects all together next year, right?
Yeah, altogether in the coming June 2022, and assignments shall be submitted only in the month of March or April 2022.
Okay, okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
At
Thank
your
you.
study center, if you have any doubt also, you can contact the coordinator at your study center.
Okay, will there be any online classes or offline
Yeah, we
classes
have
for
already
this
sent
program?
a few sessions also. If anything you will come to know, we will forward it to you by your email.
Okay, okay, fine. Thank you, sir.
Next, Kavya Bharati. Kavya Bharati, we have any question? Unmute your mic. There are questions in the chat box. Priyanka Shri, first year MA Psychology, didn't receive study material. That the same, the student of MAPC has to download this digital material first. Then after, you can check the study material status also. If it is not received by this week or next week, you can send the email to RC Madurai. Then Deepa Alagar, MEC student, joined in July 2020. Classes, whether it is offline or online. There is no offline class, only online class counseling sessions. If any regional center conducts the online counseling sessions, that will be sent to your email ID. Kindly keep checking your email ID regularly, at least twice in a week. Then after, Divya Chokalingam, whether it is semester or non-semester, you check with the program guide, madam. According to your program guide, you can go ahead. Then Anita Shetty, what about
Yes, sir.
DAQ program course? DAQ, when did you join, Mr. Anita Shetty? Because we have requested the school for organizing the online practical sessions to the DAQ students. There is a project component also. The school is yet to finalize because they are collecting the details of the students across the country. Once they receive, and they will finalize the practical sessions for the DAQ program. This is the update. We have the DAQ program at the LSC 2507, VOC College, Thuthukudi. Then Kavya Bharati, MSc DFSM. What are the process involved in dissertation work? MSc DFSM program students have been allotted to LSC 43086 at Gandhigram Rural University, Dindigul. You need to approach the coordinator for all forms of this assistance regarding the dissertation, internship, everything. There are guides are very much available. You can contact Dr. Sahul Hamid, coordinator at the Gandhigram Rural Institute. Then Dalwan, what are the course code for MBA, HRM? You check your registration details. Then only you will come to know. You go to the IGNOU website and open the registration details under student zone. input your enrollment number and program code, check what are the courses you have opted. Then accordingly you proceed further. Ram Kumar, any group available for BA Honor Political Science students, you contact the study center coordinator because they are having the WhatsApp groups. Dalwan, again and again I am telling you, you check your program registration details with your enrollment number, then only you will come to know the courses. You are a MBA student, you need to go to the website and check all these details. Kavya Bharati, if you have any question, you can come online. Or any other also. Any other questions?
Sir, good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning.
I'm the coordinator from Tyagaraja College.
Yeah, if you want to give any...
Very good morning to the regional director and the assistant regional director and all the students participants. I have a small request to all the students that when you are going to submit your assignments, you please attach the downloaded assignment questions from IGNOU website along with your assignment. You have to submit the assignment with the question paper. Then only it is easy for to value your assignments by the faculty members. Without though you are able to write the questions, the marks are not indicated. So that is quite difficult to the evaluator to give the marks. So I kindly request you to all attach your assignment questions along with your assignment, those who submitted to the respective study centers. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Because our coordinator is telling that the valuing the assignments by the counselor require your assignment question paper. Yet at every assignment, you can attach the assignment question paper at the front page, then write your details. You download IGNOU assignment top sheet as per the model given in our circular also. It is very much available in the Google. Simply IGNOU assignment top sheet. You download it, write down all your details. Then after you can attach that also. Also attach your ID card Xerox copy as well as the printout of the registration details for your enrollment number at the website, because it will help the counselor whether you have actually registered for that particular course, whether you have completed that minimum time frame for taking the examination or submission of assignments. So it will be an easy task. But many students, they may not know whether it is a yearly mode program or semester mode program. They simply download and immediately submitting their assignments to the study center. That practice is to be avoided. You have to check whether you are actually eligible for taking that particular examination. If you are a semester mode students, you can take examination in December. If you are a yearly mode student, you have to wait and submit your assignments only in the month of March, April. Siddharth Prabhu, project guide, you contact Dr. Geeta Madam at the GRD College Study Center. She will allot you a guide at the study center. You may request them over phone also or email also. Any other question? Any other coordinator from study center? Or assistant coordinator? You may come online. Mr. Judo Christo.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir. The same thing, as you have said, the same thing only I am repeating, sir. Students, you regularly check your mail at least twice in a week. So the RC is sending all the details regarding your materials, regarding the online classes and all those things. So students has to check regularly your email. If you haven't received any mails, means then you mail to the RC so that your mail ID can be changed or like this correction can be done. First thing. Second thing, regarding your assignment, in the top sheet, just fill your enroll number, all those things correctly. Sometimes you are leaving one digit and then you are filling the enroll number, which is a confusion for us. So identify the person correct enroll number. So check the top sheet as Anvalakan sir said. You check your top sheet and then once again, once or twice, and then you submit your assignment either in your email or as a hard copy to the corresponding LSC. And third thing, as sir said, first identify your program whether it is a semester wise or a year wise program, so that only you can clear your doubts. Without that, when you don't know when to submit your assignment, when you have to write your examination, you have the confusion. So first identify your course, whether it is a semester wise course or a year wise courses, so that it will be easier for you to identify your assignments, all those things. Moreover, all the things are available in the website, and the LSCs and the RC are ready to clarify your doubts at any time. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Mr. IWS leads.
Sir, I am Almasha. I am doing my BBA. I wrote my first year exam in August, but I didn't get my first year result. When I can get my first year result, sir?
The result may take time for the first year students. Normally, it will be released in the first week of November. You may check it. Also, you can check the assignment update status also in your grade card or in the assignment submission status, like that.
Okay, sir. So one more doubt, sir.
Yes.
In my second year study material, there are 6 subjects. I got only 2 subject of books. More 4 subject books I didn't get. When I can get that book, sir?
Yeah, it will be received because since you have got 2 subjects, the remaining will be also under dispatch, likely to be received shortly.
Oh, okay. Thank you, sir.
NC George. NC George.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Yes, madam.
Sir, I am MEG student, July 2020 batch. Sir, I just want to confirm regarding the examination. First year examination, it will be in December only, no, sir? Coming December.
You right now you are in second year or first year?
Second year, I have re-registered.
For first year, the examination will be in December.
Okay, sir. Okay. No, I just
second
had a
year will be in June.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Ms. Vanitha Poundraj for MA-RD program dissertation. MA-RD program dissertation, you can contact Dr. Maria Yosuraj, the coordinator of 43084. He is the guide, approved guide. Then Sobhana Sekhar, study material assignments. You check the study material status or else download the study material from the website. Then assignments also getting updated. If it is not received, you can straight away write to the program coordinator also for assignment questions if it is not uploaded. The details of emails are very much available in your program guide. You simply download it from the eGyanKosh website. Any other query? संतोष, माइक ऑन कर दो. माइक Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any question from your
Sir, assignment should be submitted directly or directly to the
study
or
center? Study center.
by post.
You go to the RC Madurai website. There is a scrolling red color message. Assignment submission circular.
Okay, sir.
Download it and read it. There is a email ID and contact details are provided for every study center. You submit to that particular email ID of your study center. Which study center you are?
So, GRD College, Coimbatore.
GRD College, there is a separate email ID for assignment submission. You send it to that particular assignment email ID of your study center.
One more doubt.
Yeah.
Second sem exam does not conducted. So the mark does not enter in the grade card.
When you were second semester? When you registered?
2019
means that maybe that you read the promotion rules, whether you have completed the required formalities. If it is first, whether you have submitted the first year semester assignments,
yes, sir.
you have written the first semester examination, everything. You see the rules, whether you have completed the required formalities as per the circular. Okay, read it once.
Yes, sir. I have done it.
Is it automatic promotion or you have to write? That you check it. Otherwise, you call by Monday or phone to the RC Madurai. We will check it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next candidate. Siddharth, you first consult with the guide at the study center for your MCA project. Synopsis, how to prepare the synopsis, everything you discuss with the guide. Then after, prepare the synopsis. Then the synopsis is BCA synopsis is to be submitted to the RC Madurai. Even the hard copy, if it is hard copy, it is okay, no problem. But you have to attach the synopsis approval form, everything as per the project manual. Next candidate. Hello. If you have any questions, we can continue, or otherwise we can wind up the session. Tomorrow there will be induction meeting for the first year students or first semester students. So this kind of online grievance meeting will be conducted at least once in a month. So if you have any questions also, you can come forward. But we advise you to check your emails always, the routine checking. If your email ID is not correct, you can contact the regional center and send your email ID. Close, mic, mute.
Yes, sir. Okay.
If no questions, we can wind up the session. If anybody has any question, you can come within 2 minutes. If you have any doubts regarding your practical projects or ECP internship, first contact your study center. If it is not possible or you are not getting any appropriate reply, you can contact regional center also. But every correspondence should have your email ID and program code. Then only we can able to reply to you. With this, since almost all the queries has been replied, We thank to every one of you, the functionaries from the study centers participating in this online meeting, our staff members from RC Madurai, those participating in this online meeting, and our esteemed learners. To all of you, have a great success ahead, and we wish you all the best for your term end examination for those writing TEE in December 2021. And remaining students, you can study well and prepare the assignments, but submit your assignments if you are taking the term end examination in June 2022 at the month of March or April, and always check the website for updates on the assignment submission as well as extension of dates for assignment submission, everything. Kindly do visit the IGNOU website once in a week so that you will come to know all the updates. We thank you everyone for joining this meeting. Now we are winding up the session. Thank you everyone.